Let's get started. Open the Canva application, select a photo and now adjust the photo transparency. Choose another photo from the gallery. Adjust it accordingly, then add an Instagram frame. Now search element, frame. Adjust the frame and add a photo as shown in the video. Now click on the plus icon, and choose text option, then choose any font of your choice, and edit your required text. Repeat the process, for all text. In the same way you can add, like symbol, select any font, and add text, new post. Now click on the effects, add effect. Trippy to the image. Edit the text font and add effects to the font as shown in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.